How are you? I hope all are good, right? Today I am going to discuss the major difference between check and DD, guys. So today I bring one check especially for you. Today I explain each and every point in the check. Okay. Suppose you are handling cash counter. Okay. What are the things you should check in that check? Okay. First thing, guys, you should cross check with signature in that your system. Okay, this is a major thing, guys. The signature is correct or not, you cross check in your system. Okay, and second thing, you should be check this date. What written here 30th. Actually, what is the date today? 29. This means this is a post dated check. This check is not accepted. Okay, only previous dates means 28 to 27 26 we can accept, but post dated checks not accepted. Okay. Another one thing, guys, here what written amount 5,500. Okay, this figure it should be same as words 5,500 only. It should be same because some persons are written here 5,500, right? Here written 4,500 only. So that check we are not accept the check. Okay, and another one thing, guys, date over here. You see here the check issued to Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh. This check means barrier check. So Ramesh comes to counter and collect the cash, and Ramesh brother also possible to take the cash. Okay, barrier means anyone comes and take the given check and collect the cash, guys. This is a barrier. Okay, what is the order check means? Here you observe that barrier written, right? In the check you cancel it here, you cancel it here barrier, and the checks mean if you cancel this barrier means the check is order check, guys. So order means what written here Ramesh only comes to the counter and collect the cash, and another person is not possible, guys. So order means that is the thing. Okay, another one thing, guys, here you see crossing is there, right? What is the meaning of crossing? Crossing means this is a for this check cash withdrawal not possible, guys. You directly deposit this check into respect to account. Suppose Ramesh having account some X bank means some SBI. Okay, Ramesh directly goes to SBI and deposit the check, and the amount credited into Ramesh account. So that is a crossing means directly credited into account. Cash is not possible. Okay, another one thing, guys, whenever you given barrier check means the you backside you should write the person name, signature, phone number, and ID proof, guys. Any ID proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card. So backside it should be authentication required, because future any mismatch happening means we can easily identify the person. This is a check, guys, and you can observe here. Here is the MICR code. MICR code, how many digits there? 9 digits there. Say this is MICR code, magnetic ink character recognition, and this check serial number, guys. This is check serial number. Okay, this is the main things. Okay, and right now I'm going to discuss, guys, what is the major difference between a check and DD. Okay, DD means demand draft. Simply thing, guys. DD means banker check. Bank only issue the DD. Okay, but check means individual issue the check. Okay, who may having account, that person issue the check, but in the case of DD, bank only issue the check. So DD is 100% worthy, guys, but check is not 100% worthy. Okay, if check having balance means it will pass the check, but DD 100%. Okay, so what is the major difference? I will tell the guys. So I was written some important points. I will explain one by one. Okay, first point, guys, we issue check to barrier or order or self means account holder written in the name self, and went to counter and take the cash. Self means account holder. Okay, barrier means any person. Order means what we written in that check, that person only comes and take the cash. That is the order check, guys. In case of DD, with in favor of company or organization or institution. So DD you can name in the name of organization, institution, or company. Okay, for issuing of check account number required guys, but in case of DD account number not required. If you have cash, you directly go to the bank and take in favor of any company, organization or institution. Okay, in case of DD account number not required, but in case of check account number required. You can see in the check, this is a account, this is a account number. Okay, in case of DD account number not there guys, because in case of DD bank only issue the check, means bank name there in the check. In the case of DD, bank name there, but account number is not there in DD. Okay, you can observe that point. Okay, another thing guys, check is bonuses possible guys. If I issue the 2 lakhs check, but in my account 1,50,000 is there, so the insufficient balance. So insufficient balance, the check is bounced. You know one thing, if check bounced means bounces charge is there, and also the respective person whom to issue the check, the person file case against you. Okay, this be careful guys, very danger for this check. Okay, but in case of DD, the bounce not possible guys, because if you have whenever DD taken person, he deposited the cash and taken the DD, means there is no possible to bounce guys, because sufficient funds is there already in DD, so not possible to bounce. Okay, another one thing guys, up to 50,000 only you can take DD in the case of cash. Above 50,000 means you have to debit from your account and take the DD. Okay, physical cash 50,000 only you should take the DD. Above 50,000 means you have account, savings account, you debit that account and you take the DD. But in case of check, you have account balance, you can give 2 crores 3 crores as your wish. Okay, there is no limit. Another one guys, any check or DD 90 days validity, right? So after 90 days the check is not ready to collect the cash. Okay, but in case of DD guys, after 90 days also revalidate, means extend the date. Okay, we can extend the date, so revalidated is possible in DD only guys, but in case of check is not there. After 90 days only you issue another fresh check only. Okay, another one guys, if you cancel the DD means you have to pay cancellation charges, but in case of check the cancellation charges is not there. This is the important point. Another one thing guys, if you issue the check, one person Ramesh, okay, the Ramesh from Ramesh this check is stolen. Okay, so another person submitted, some ex-person submitted same check into bank, so he'll collect the cash because he is a barrier check. Okay, but in case of order check not possible, because order means Ramesh only went to the bank and collect the cash. Okay, but in the case of check stolen, misuse is happening, but in case of DD misuse not happening guys, because in clearly we written organization name or company name, okay, institution name, so the amount directly credited into that company only. So that is a thing, most of the company prefers only DD guys instead of checks. Okay, check is not a 100% guarantee, but DD 100% worthy, so that's why most of the company institution so prefer DD only. Okay, this is the things guys. If you have any doubts regarding this DD or check, you just mention in my comment box. I will reply for that comments. If you like the session, you just like it and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.